Hello everyone. Here's a quick tutorial on how easy it is to accept cryptocurrency payments at your business. Once you download the CryptoBucks app and register your business, you will be approved within 24 hours to start accepting cryptocurrency payments. What you see here is the home interface for this tutorial. We'll hit merchant sale. We have options, cryptocurrency, credit/debit card. We'll hit cryptocurrency. And we'll go ahead and fill in these fields and enter the amount that's owed. Once completed, your customers will have several ways that they can pay. They will receive a text message as well as an email, or if they're face-to-face, we can complete payment through the app. For this example, we'll pay via text. Your customer will receive a text message with a payment link. We'll go ahead and hit that payment link. And this will take us over to the payment window. They will see their information, what they're being charged for, and the amount that's being billed. And on the bottom, you can see they could select their preferred cryptocurrency. For this example, we'll go ahead and select Litecoin to complete the payment. Once you select Litecoin, a Litecoin address as well as a QR code appears. We will go ahead and copy this Litecoin address and then open up our preferred wallet. For this example, we'll use Coinbase. I'll find Litecoin, select Litecoin wallet. Top right corner, envelope to send. We'll enter the amount. Continue. Now, on the field where it says to is where I will paste that wallet address from the invoice. I'll go ahead and preview send, confirm payment, and just like that, guys, sale is complete. Merchants will see that sale is now processing.